The Alpine A390 enters the safety discussion with a calm confidence that comes from solid engineering and thoughtful design. Euro NCAP's recent evaluation shows a vehicle built to look after adults, children, and people outside the car. What stands out most is how Alpine blended performance with genuine protection in a way that feels meaningful for daily driving. In testing, the A390 held its structure well during the frontal offset impact. The passenger compartment stayed stable, and both the driver and front passenger enjoyed strong protection for their knees and femurs. Alpine also demonstrated that the same level of safety applies to people of different sizes and seating positions. In the side impact test, protection was generally strong, although a door opening during the test caused a score reduction. The car still managed to perform well in the side pole test, with only the chest area showing a marginal result. Rear impact whiplash protection was also very good due to the design of the seats and head restraints. Families will be reassured knowing the child safety score reached 85%. Both the 6-year-old and 10-year-old test dummies received excellent protection in frontal and side impacts. The ability to switch off the front passenger airbag for rear-facing child seats adds an extra level of convenience and security. Installation checks confirm that the A390 accepts child seats easily and securely. For people outside the vehicle, the A390 continues to provide meaningful protection. The head and leg impact zones scored well, and the autonomous emergency braking system responded effectively to pedestrians and cyclists. Rear pedestrian detection is available but not activated by default. Motorcyclist detection and reaction were also strong. With lane keeping support, intelligent speed assistance, driver monitoring, and automated emergency braking for vehicles, the A390 shows it is prepared for unexpected situations. Alpine's approach helps the car feel reassuring not just in controlled laboratory tests, but in daily driving. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.